Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you seeing me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Hey guys, we're going to get right into this video. If you want to see how I made this creamy banana hair mask, then just keep watching. You guys know I normally use fresh bananas, but I've been getting a lot of comments to see if you could use the Gerber baby banana, so that's what I'm going to be using today. I will have all the details of each ingredient that I'm going to use on the screen. So what you're going to need is bananas or baby puree bananas, mayo, mustard, honey, and any oil of your choice. Like I said before, I do have all the specs of why these ingredients are good for your hair, what it does to the cells of the hair for hair growth, and all of the nutrients that each ingredient provides. I did put them on the screen for you guys this time, so I didn't forget. So for the length of my hair, I'm just going to take 2 cups or 2 servings of the baby Gerber puree, and I'm going to place that into my bowl here. That is a mixing spatula that doesn't have like the little spatula into it, but you can grab a spoon, a fork, whatever you need. One thing that I did notice about this mixture, or the baby puree, the Gerber baby puree, it's 100% bananas and it had no pulp in it. So if you guys are like, I always get banana stuck in my hair or it just never turns out right, I honestly enjoyed not having to blend up the bananas or try to make sure all the puree was out of it. But I figured out a way to make sure that there's no pulp left in the 100% real bananas that I normally use. You just place them in the freezer after they get really, really ripe. Place them in the freezer and then take them out, and they're really liquidy, and you don't have to worry about straining your mixture to make sure that there's no pulp left into your hair mask. But with the baby Gerber baby banana food, I noticed that I didn't have to do any extra straining, blending, nothing. It was just smooth, creamy goodness. So I'm going to add about a cup of mayo into my mixture, about 2 tablespoons of mustard, and also 2 tablespoons of honey. Now, once again, you guys, you can make however much or as little as you need. For the length of my hair and for the thickness of my hair, this is how much I needed to make. I honestly probably could have used one more container of bananas, the baby bananas. But, I mean, it went pretty far, so I really enjoyed this mixture. Like I said before, I did use 2 tablespoons of my own DIY oil. As you can see, the herbal goodness floating through that oil, how dark and rich it is. This oil has truly helped my hair stop shedding, you guys. When I tell you this DIY oil is everything, it's truly everything. So I am just going to stir that up, this mixture up, until it's nice and smooth and all the ingredients is combined. And then I'm going to use it in my hair as a pre-poo / deep conditioner, and then follow up with a shampoo. So if you're interested in seeing how I use this baby Gerber banana hair mask in my hair, then please leave comments down below. Thanks, guys. Bye.